Are you still wasting time and money on manual gumming and slow, spontaneous drying? It's time to upgrade your bindery. Meet the KY-460B book block gumming and drying machine by Kylin Machines. This is the ultimate post-printing solution. It seamlessly integrates book block pressing, gumming, and drying into one automated process. Compared to conventional methods, the KY-460B requires zero manual pressing or gumming. Just load the book block, and the machine handles the rest. Handling book cores up to 150 mm thick with 10 to 20 tons of pressing power. It's the perfect time saver for large, medium, and small printing houses. Produce high-quality books in bulk effortlessly. Revolutionize your post-printing today. Contact Kylin Machines via WhatsApp or visit our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe.